Welcome to ES class. Children, today I am going to teach you about lesson number 20. Tell how many. Children, this lesson begins with a very interesting game. And in this lesson, you will learn about different types of family like joint family, nuclear families, and relation between families. So, let's start. Lesson number 20. Tell how many. Tell how many. Come, let us play a game together. You must be familiar with this game. All the children stand in the center and play a tune. Okay? Let one child stand in the center and play a tune. Children, here in this game, number of children may join. Then they form a circle. In a circle, one child will play a tune. Everyone must run in a circle as long as music plays. Then the child who is playing the music will suddenly stop it and call out a number like 5, 4 or 2 loudly. Children have to form groups according to the number called out. The children who cannot join any group will have to leave the game. Continue to play this game till only two children are left in the circle. So children, in this game, let us see how they play. Here are the group of children. They'll stand in a circle. Okay. If a child who is playing a tune will stop the tune and call out number 2. That means these children have to form a group of 2 children. So let's see here. They form group of 2. These are 6 children. So no one is left alone. So all are in group of 2. Now for example, in the other picture, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 children are there. They formed a circle and they are running in the circle. One child is playing a tune. Okay. When he will stop tune and he'll call out number 3. That means what? They have to form a group of 3 children. See, they have made here group of 3 children. One group, second group and third group. These are 9 children. Okay. So one child, one girl is left alone and she will be out of the game now. So this game proceed this way. Okay. When only 2 children will left, then the game will be over. Understood? Isn't it interesting game? So you also play this kind of games at your place. Okay. Now let's move. Now you have seen the game how they play. Children, you have to answer these questions after seeing this game. Okay. So let's start. What did you do when you are asked join a group of the required number? Why? I rushed towards my friends to form a group of given number because as per the game rule, children have to form groups according to the number called out. Otherwise, if we will left alone, and what will happen? We'll be out of the game. Who want to be out of the game? So we have to follow this. Now, how did you feel if you could not join any group? I feel bad if I could not join any group. Why could you not join any group? Before I reached to form a group, children had formed the groups of required numbers. So I left alone. Now next is, in school, whom do you like to be more with and why? In school, I like to be more with my friends because I feel comfortable with them. Next is, how would you feel if you always had to be alone? I would feel very bad if I always had to be alone. Isn't it? We don't like to stay alone. We feel cozy with our friends and we feel happy with our friends. Okay? Now, next, all of us prefer to live with people than to live alone. We always live in groups. Let's see one such group, Devendra, Manjula, and their children Divya and Manav. This is Devendra, this is Manjula, this is Divya and Manav. Both are children of Devendra and Manjula. How are these people related to each other? The people in the picture belong to one family. Children, as you have learned earlier, this is a nuclear family. Okay? Mother, father, and two children are staying with each other. Okay? So, this is a nuclear family. We often see pictures or photographs of such families. Where do we see such a family? Are all families similar to this one? Let us read about a few families. No, children, we don't see same family, isn't it? In some families, uncle, aunt, the grandparents also live with them. So all the families are not like such. Okay. So let's see. Now let us see about Sita. Sita lives in her ancestral house in a city named Surat. Children, here ancestral means his forefathers, father, and nowadays they are also staying in the same house. They are sharing same house, is ancestral house. Okay, they are staying in Surat city. Her dada, dadi, younger kaka, and foi live on the ground floor. In one portion of the first floor, Sita lives with her father. Okay, then father, mother, and younger sister Geeta. They stay lives with each other on the first floor of that house. In the other portion, live her elder kaka and his three children. Her elder kaki died just a few months ago. Okay. So in her ancestral house means उनके दादा परदादाओं के टाइम के हाउस में मीन्स घर में the Sita and her family lives. Okay. Her dada, dadi, younger kaka, foi live on the ground floor. सबसे नीचे के फ्लोर में वो रहते हैं. Then in one portion of the first floor, Sita lives with her father, mother, and younger sister Geeta. While on the other portion, elder kaka and his three children are living. Okay. Her elder kaki just died a few months ago. Now, her elder kaka and the new kaki live in one of the rooms on the terrace. They are newly married. So, her another kaka, elder kaka, he married recently, and newly married couple, they are staying on the room which is on the terrace. Before dinner, Sita's mother teaches all the children of the family. Isn't it good? Food for the whole family is cooked in the same kitchen on the ground floor. They all make special effort to be together at dinner time. Nowadays, Elder Kaki's younger daughter sleeps with Sita's mother as her mother died. Now that younger daughter sleeps with Sita's mother to feel comfortable, isn't it? At night, in the morning, Sita helps her get ready for school. In the morning, Sita helps Elder Kaka's younger daughter to get ready for school. It is good habit. So this family is a joint family. Okay. So we have to read this, we have to understand, and we have to answer the questions. who all are in Sita's family. So let's see. In Sita's family, there is Dada, Dadi, younger Kaka, Foi, Sita, her father, mother, her younger sister, two elder Kakas, Kaki, and their three children are there in Sita's family. Now, how is the relationship between the different people in the family? Sita's father, two elder Kakas, and younger Kaka are four brothers. They have one sister, Foi. It is called Foi in Gujarati and Bua in Hindi. They all are children of Sita's Dada and Dadi. Sita has a sister and three cousins who are elder Kaka's children. So, this is the relationship between the different people in the family. Now, next is in the last 1 year, what are the changes that happen in the family? So, in the last 1 year, her elder Kaki died and her another elder Kaka married. So, these type of change has been occurred in her family in last 1 year. I hope you understood this. Now, from next page, we will continue in the next video. Thank you, children.